derivative of function. What is derivative function? Try to understand carefully. It will not help you in this class, but it is the base of future of mathematics. Just see here what is derivative. Let f be a real valued function and a is any point in its domain. Then derivative of f at a is denoted by f dash a and defined as f dash a equal to limit h approaching to 0 f a plus h minus f a upon h, provided this limit exists. Is it clear? What I write here? Derivative. Let f be a real valued function. Real valued means जिसकी रेंज रियल हो and a is any point its domain, और a कोई पॉइंट उसके डोमेन में हो. डोमेन मीन्स उस पर फंक्शन डिफाइन. देन द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एट ए denoted as f dash a and defined as f dash a limit h approaching to 0 f a plus h minus f a upon h, provided this limit exists. ये डिपेंड करता है कि लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करती है तो डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट करेगा, लिमिट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती तो डेरिवेटिव भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. नाउ जस्ट सी सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम योर बुक. नंबर 1, सपोज आई हैव हियर fx is equal to 3x is a function and we have to find its derivative at x is equal to 2. Now in place of a we have 2. In place of this function f we have fx is equal to 3. This is the definition of function. Now we are going to find out its limiting value. So f dash 2, first of all write the definition. F dash a equal to limit h approaching to 0 f a plus h minus f a upon h. Now in place of a we put 2. So f dash 2 is equal to limit h approaching to 0 f2 plus h minus f2 upon h. Further, what we will put here? Now by the function definition is fx is equal to 3x. In place of x we are having 2 plus x. So if I replace x by 2 plus x, it becomes 3 into 2 plus x. So limit h approaching to 0, 3 into 2 plus h. In place of x we will put 2. Now again if I replace x by 2, it becomes 3 into 2 upon h as it is. Further it can be written as limit h approaching to 0, simplify 3 to the 6, 3 into h 3h, or minus 6 upon h. 6 cancelled by 6, what we have? Limit h approaching to 0, h cancelled by h, we have 3. So its value is 3. So now it means f dash 2 is equal to 3. Is it clear to everyone? Hello. Up to this step any problem? Hello? Any sort of problem up to this step? Ever understood it?
No, sir.
अच्छा, चलें आगे. Now one more example you can see.
Yes,
here. देखो इधर इसमें खास बात देखिए, ये बताता क्या है it will tell us about the rate of change of one variable with respect to other variable. If we plot the graph, fx is equal to 3xl. इसका graph plot करें. Now what is the graph? See here, you know how to plot the graph. Consider x as 0, y is 0. Consider x is 2, y is 6. Now just see. It is 0, 0 and 2, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And join it. Now, if I put here 1 into 3, 3. So at 1, its corresponding value is 3. This is the value. This is 3. At 2, its value is 6. Now you see, if unit change is there, then the corresponding change in fx is 3 units. It means the rate of change of function with respect to 1 unit is 3. Is it clear to everyone? So derivative tells us the rate of change of one variable with respect to other. Now further I am going to explain little bit more. Just here certain more examples.